Everyone, I wanna have a conversation or talk with y'all. I wanna announce that 80 subscribers our Facebook group on live stream, not a video. We're in 69 subscribers. Just one more subscribe and we'll hit 70. I also want to show you guys that I built this. I have no idea what I built it for. For my friends to go. I have no idea. Don't mind those. It's nothing. Oh, so cool, bro. This is a mini pond. Big. Also, I'm not done with the end, the mini end. I have to build the whole thing, all structures. I wanna say to you all that thank you guys so much for supporting. We're 11 subs away from face revealing. I know we can hit it. I don't know what to say anymore. Oh. What's your waiting on this? This took like 2 hours to build. Also on the live stream I will do on like Twitter or there from you guys. Yeah. Do my boots glowing in my mod pack. Texture pack I mean. I guess that's all for